Did you know that over 80% of all Wi-Fi networks are vulnerable to hacking? Fearful face, that's a shocking statistic, right? With so many people relying on Wi-Fi for everything from work to socializing, it's crucial to understand just how easy it is for hackers to gain access to our networks. So, if you want to learn how to protect yourself and your network, stick around. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ethical hacking on Kali Linux. If you've ever wondered how hackers crack Wi-Fi passwords, you're in the right place. We're going to explore the tools and techniques used to perform these hacks ethically, and why understanding this can actually help improve cybersecurity for everyone. Let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, let's talk about the problem. The sad truth is that many people use weak passwords for their Wi-Fi networks, like password 123 or letmain, weary face. This makes it super easy for anyone with the right tools to access your network. Insecure networks can lead to a whole host of problems, from data theft to unauthorized usage. Imagine someone hopping onto your Wi-Fi and using it for illegal activities. Not only could it slow down your connection, but it could also put you at risk legally. We really need to take Wi-Fi security seriously, and that starts with understanding how these attacks happen. Exploration/development. Alright, now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how we can use Kali Linux to crack Wi-Fi passwords. Key: first off, you'll need to download and install Kali Linux if you haven't already. Once you've got that set up, we can use some powerful tools like aircracking and errordumping. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Open terminal. The first step is to open your terminal. 2. Put your Wi-Fi adapter into monitor mode. This allows your adapter to capture packets. You can do this using the command airmaning start VLAN 0. 3. Scan for networks. Use errordumping VLAN 0 mon to see all the available Wi-Fi networks. 4. Capture the handshake. Choose a target network and run errordumping cbcw VLAN 0 mon. This captures the handshake needed to crack the password. 5. Crack the password. Finally, use aircracking. Cap with a word list file to attempt to crack the Wi-Fi password. You can find various word lists online, so don't worry if you don't have one. And just like that, you'll be able to see how vulnerable some of these networks are. But remember, this is all for educational purposes. Only test on networks you own or have explicit permission to hack. Climax/key moment. Now, let's take this to the next level. I'm going to demonstrate a live hack right here. Begin live demonstration. Watch as I scan for networks, capture a handshake, and then attempt to crack the password. You can see the process unfold in real time. Look at how quickly we're able to gather data and show how easily folks can access unsecured networks. This isn't just theoretical, it's real and happening all the time. Pause for dramatic effect as the password is revealed. And there you have it. The password to that test network is 12,345,678. Mind blown. It's a perfect example of how weak passwords can lead to serious vulnerabilities. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. We talked about the importance of securing your Wi-Fi networks and how easy it is to hack weak passwords using tools available in Kali Linux. Remember, ethical hacking is about understanding these vulnerabilities so we can protect ourselves and others from malicious attacks. Always take the time to secure your network. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Wi-Fi security? Have you ever tried ethical hacking before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity tools, make sure to check out my next video on advanced ethical hacking techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.